Hello, can you talk right now?
Yes, tell me what happened.
I cannot find our dog anywhere.
What? When did you see him?
I saw him this morning outside.
Did you check the backyard first?
Yes, but he is not there.
Oh no, maybe he ran away.
I looked around the whole neighborhood.
Did you ask any neighbors nearby?
Yes, but nobody saw him today.
Do not worry, we will find him.
I feel really scared right now.
Please stay calm and keep searching.
Where should I look now?
Check the park near our house.
Okay, I am going there now.
I will leave office very soon.
Wait, I think I hear barking.
Really? Where is the sound coming from?
It is coming from the playground.
Go there and take a look.
Oh, wow, I can see him.
Is it really our dog?
Yes, I am bringing him home now.